Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can comment on your videos and stories. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy. Now click comments, and now click comments here. And here just click everyone, and that's how to make everyone can comment on your videos and stories. And that is for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.